Today we're making some carne asada burritos. We got some flap steaks, marinating some carne asada marinade. Hit it with some salt for good measure. A little bit of pepper. For all you haters that think I don't wash his hands. Let's heat up some rice and some refried beans. We made refried beans from scratch in the past, but it is a process, so we just got these from Costco. And get that steak on the grill. All right, flip this once I have a good sear on it, just like that. Now we're gonna pull this off after it's got a good sear on both sides. While that's resting, we're gonna squeeze some lime over it. That? Squeeze. Good job, buddy. All right, we got our heated tortilla. Hit it with some beans. Some of this rice. Some cheese. Some of this carne asada. And your favorite salsa. My plate. Nathan's plate. What do you think, buddy? Dude's had too much Mexican food lately. Like and follow for more.